Hello, my dear students. How are you doing? Today, our lesson is Module 5, Lesson 1. Are you ready to learn? Let's begin. The title of our lesson is, or of our module, You Can Do It. You can do it. Yes, you can. In this module, you will be able to predict the meaning of the new vocabulary, listen to rules of different sports and games, talk about the rules using can or can't, and have to or don't have to, read about modern and ancient Olympic Games. So let's begin doing exercise number 1, page number 49. Look at your student's book and follow the instructions and try to answer the questions. Let's begin. Is your book with you? Let's begin. Follow these instructions. So you are going to listen, and while listening, I want you to bring a blank sheet of paper and bring your pen and take some notes. Now, what are you going to take notes for? You're going to listen to Badriya and Maryam. They will talk about the sports they and their family practice. Now, what is possible? Who does it? What sport does Maryam do? What sport does she like to watch? What sport does Jamal want to do? When can he do it? Do you want to do any of these sports? Which one? Take down notes. Now we are going to listen to Maryam and Badriya. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin listening now. Badriya. And who's this on the trampoline? Why is he upside down? Why is there a ball? Maryam. That's my brother Hakim playing ball. It's a sport invented in Spain. It's like volleyball on a trampoline, with parts of football and gymnastics. You can use any part of your body. Hakim is upside down, so he can kick it over the net. Badriya, how many people do you need? Maryam, you need 3 to 5 players on each team. Hakim is playing with his friends. He says it's fun. Badriya, do you play ball? Maryam, never. I like watching it, though. But I prefer skating and playing tennis. They're less difficult. Badriya, my brother Jamal is trying to convince Dad to let him go ice diving in Antarctica. Look, these are the brochures he brought. Maryam, it looks very dangerous. Badriya, that's exactly what Dad said. He said, wait until you are old enough, then you can go. You are too young to go ice diving now. Maryam, I don't think he's very happy about it. Badriya, no, he isn't. So now Jamal wants to go rally driving instead. Now, after listening to Maryam and Badriya, let's answer the questions together. First, what is ball? Ball is like volleyball, but you can use all of your body. Who does it? Hakim. Who is Hakim? He's Maryam's brother. So Hakim, Maryam's brother, does it. What sport does Maryam do? Maryam skates and plays tennis. Now, what sport does she like to watch? She likes to watch football. What sport does Jamal want to do? Jamal wants to go ice diving. Now, what sport does Jamal want to do? We said that. Let's move to the next one. When can he do it? Do you think he can do it now? No, he can't, because his father will let him do it when he is old enough. Okay, now we are going to go to the next section of our lesson, which is vocabulary. Let's see. Now, the first word is judo. What is judo? It is a Japanese sport in which you must throw your opponent to the ground. Can you see the picture? So what sport are they practicing? It is judo. Now, tennis. Tennis. All of you know tennis. These people in the picture are playing tennis. Now, what about table tennis? Yes, this is table tennis, and people play it on a table, as you can see. This is a table. Puzzle. Puzzle. It is a game that is similar to volleyball, but it is played on a trampoline. It is played on trampolines, sorry. So, what are people doing in this picture? They are playing volleyball, but they are using a trampoline. So it is puzzle or puzzle. Ice diving. Ice diving. It is a kind of scuba diving under a layer of ice. So you dive under the sea, but there is ice. Can you see the man in the photo? Yes, he is ice diving. Volleyball. Volleyball. Volleyball is a game in which players use their hands to hit a leather ball over a high net. So people in this picture are playing volleyball. Hockey. It is a game played between two teams of 11, which players use sticks to hit a ball into goal. It can be also played on ice. So as you can see in the photo, they are playing hockey. Now we are going to move to exercise number 2. You're going to listen to these words or these new vocabulary items, and you're going to write them down on a blank sheet of paper. So please take your pen, take your notebook or a blank sheet of paper and start writing the words that you hear. Are you ready? Let's begin. 1. Learn judo to get fit and defend yourself. 2. I watched tennis and my neck hurt from moving it left and right. 3. The wind blew and balls, sorry, 3. The wind blew the balls and made table tennis impossible. 4. Try possible to practice lots of skills. 5. I was ice diving and caught a big fish. 6. Teamwork is important in volleyball. 7. Do you prefer hockey on grass or on ice? Now, we have learned, as you can see, many new vocabulary items. That was our lesson for today. See you in lesson number 2. Goodbye.